This is the emerald green arborvitae. It is resistant to the toxins put out by walnut trees. However, it can't be planted directly underneath walnut trees because it really likes full sun. If you have a walnut tree and you want an arborvitae, I would suggest you go to the green giant. The green giant is a little more open, it grows a lot faster, and can survive as well underneath a walnut tree. And usually if you have walnut trees in your yard, you're next to a stream or a wet area, and that usually means you might have deer. And the green giant is deer resistant. The emerald green is not. The emerald green grows to about 15 foot, but the green giant can grow to 40, 50 feet, but can be trimmed to a 25-foot hedge. This is a walnut-resistant plant. It's called Viburnum arrowwood. The specific cultivar is called Chicago luster, and it has a luxurious, shiny leaf. It's getting ready to bloom now. These are the buds setting, and they'll open up in another couple days to a white flower. In the fall, this will turn to a blue berry. It's an interesting selection in that it can live in the wet areas. It also can live under the walnut tree, and it too has deer resistance. These are crimson pygmy barberries. The barberry is also deer resistant and can live under a walnut tree. If it's under a walnut tree and there's a lot of canopy, this particular plant will not be as red, it'll be greener. And if you notice, the interior foliage of these plants is greener because it's shaded, where the exterior is a brighter redder color because it's getting more sunlight. The interior of the crimson barberry is greener, as you can see in this video. And way underneath the plant it's going to be a lot greener. The tips are red, the interiors are green. And the entire plant will be a lot greener in shade under a walnut tree. These are heritage river birch. They're a multi-stem tree. They can grow under walnuts, and they're also deer resistant because willows and birches put out a chemical called salicylic acid, which is found in aspirin. So it deters the deer, and they don't really bother to. This is a Cousa dogwood, and this is also deer tolerant, not deer resistant, but deer tolerant. And this plant will also grow well in and under walnut trees. It likes the protected area, and it can grow in the clay, wettish type of soils that are found near walnut. This is the flower of the Cousa dogwood and its foliage. Highland Hill Farm can be reached at 215-651-8329. We're centrally located in eastern Pennsylvania, just north of Philadelphia. We deliver and plant, or just deliver for you, in most eastern U.S. states.